Hey, if you want to fix connection issues of your Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro, then in the health application we got a quick shortcut for this one. So we have to go for the watch connection protection, just tap on it once, and you have to ignore the battery optimization for the Huawei health application on your phone. Here there's the short description what it does, so it's gonna improve the device connection, the battery life, and make the step count, sleep and other fitness and health data more accurate. So it's really useful to actually click here and basically allow our health application from Huawei to run in the background. So click on it, and as you can see, now it is finished. So now it's gonna ignore battery optimization, and we can also, if we want to actually disable it, if it's gonna drain too much battery, then we can go to the settings and disable this feature. And as you can see, that's how it actually looks. It still appears like we didn't, but as you can see, this notification tells us that we successfully enable that feature on this health application.